simpletome poop bags holder. Made of durable 1680D Oxford with smooth nylon liner. In order to let you tear off the poop bag smoothly. Not like other plastic dispenser, this one is no crack knocking noise. Keep your dogs quiet and will know Restless, make you have a simple walking every day with your dogs. The soft silicone double T-shaped opening with a certain damping. Works well to hold the rest of the bag in place, preventing it from rolling. Very simple and convenient for your next use. The strong quality SUS 304 stainless steel clip hooks can be hung anywhere. The following hook can be rotated 360 degrees to prevent knotting. We use Japanese YKK zipper, more smooth and good. In the easily damaged parts, we have made sewing reinforcement, it will be more durable. The brand color box packaging looks more high-end rather than cheap products. Choose a simple life to me. Simple to me.